This paper presents an approach for training quadrotor navigation policies from scratch, mapping raw onboard camera pixels directly to control commands, much like a human pilot. The process begins with data collection in the simulation environment using the current policy, storing experiences in a replay buffer. This buffer is used to train the world model components, the encoder, decoder, RSSM, dynamics model, reward model, and continue predictor. Subsequently, an actor-critic policy is trained within the learned world model to maximize expected, or imagined returns. This updated policy is then used to collect new data, restarting the loop. We compare the training performance of our approach versus PPO in 3 different tracks. While model-free methods such as PPO are sample inefficient and struggle in this setting, we leverage model-based reinforcement learning is able to train visual motor policies capable of agile flight through racetracks using exclusively raw pixel observations. Moreover, because our policies are trained end-to-end directly from pixels, we no longer require the perception-aware reward term used in previous methods. To show this, we have conducted an ablation experiment in simulation where we place 2 additional gates in the periphery of the Figure 8 track. These gates are there only in the rendering, but do not need to be passed through. Interestingly, we observe that the agent exhibits a consistent tendency to orient the camera towards feature-rich areas of the observation space, a behavior that naturally emerged during training rather than being explicitly encoded in the reward function. We demonstrate the efficacy of our policies by deploying them in the real world on the Figure 8 track. We show the onboard view on the top right corner, the images that the policy consumes in the bottom right corner, and external third-person view in the left-hand side. Our work provides one of the few examples of a model-based reinforcement learning policy, trained from images and deployed in a real-world robot.